Pair of linear equations. I will explain you with a simple example. First we should know what is pair of linear equation. Pair means two, linear means line equation, that is first degree x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the power of x? 1. Therefore, this is the first degree equation that represents a linear equation. In one variable, here only one variable, x plus y is equal to 7. This is also highest degree is 1. Therefore, it is first degree equation represents linear equation. If you draw graph for these two, you will get a line. Therefore, these are linear equations. First degree, here there are two variables, therefore it is called linear equation in two variables. Equation means there will be equal to. For understanding this pair of linear equation, what is the use of these equations? With an example. See, I have two numbers, total is 11. If I subtract, I will get 3. Now I will ask you a question about this. I have two numbers. I don't reveal these two numbers. I will keep these numbers 7 and 4 secret. I am asking you, I have two numbers. If you add those two numbers, you will get 11. The difference of that numbers is 3. Find the numbers. Then you have to find the numbers. You will get 7 and 4. You have to get 7 and 4. If you don't know about any number, take it as a variable x and second y. When I express it, the sum of two numbers is 11, then immediately you have to start sum. Sum means plus. Sum of two numbers. This is one number, another number is y. Sum of two numbers is 11. And difference means minus. Difference of two numbers. The two numbers are x and y is 3. If you solve these two, you will get x and y, that is 7 and 4. How? See this one. This is called elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method. Draw a line. This is plus y, this is minus y. Plus y, minus y get cancelled. X plus x, 2x. 11 plus 3, 14. Then x will be 14 into 2. 2x means 2 into x into 2 becomes divided by 2. 2 7 times. Therefore, x is equal to 7. If you substitute this value either in this one or in this one, you will get the same answer. X plus y is equal to 11 means x, that is, what is x? 7 plus y is equal to 11. Then y is equal to 11 plus 7 becomes minus 7 is 4. Therefore y is equal to 4. You are getting 7, 4. 7, 4. This can be done by subtracting also. This is called addition. This is subtracting. X plus y is equal to 11. X minus y is equal to 3. Subtraction means you have to change the sign of each term of the second equation. There is no sign, therefore it is considered as plus. You have to change it as minus. Here minus becomes plus. Here plus. Therefore you have to write minus. Now you have to consider these signs only. This is not minus y. Now it is plus y. X minus x plus x. This is minus x, get cancelled. Y plus y. Y plus y. 2y is equal to 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. Y is equal to 8 into 2 becomes divided by 2 4 times. Y is equal to 4. This is one answer. And if you substitute this y value in first equation or second equation, you will get the same. Y is equal to 11. Then x plus what is y? 4 is equal to 11. Then x is equal to 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. This is 7. X is 7. X is 7. Y is 4. Here x is 7. Y is 4. And we are getting these two answers. 7, 4 are the numbers. Through this concept, you can understand the use of pair of linear equations and how to do these problems. I will explain one more method. This is called elimination method, and another one substitution method in the next class. Now I explain substitution method for the previous problem. You may be remembered that x plus y, previous problem, x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y is equal to 3. Now we calculate by the method of substitution. For this, write this equation, x as subject, x is equal to, bring y to RHS, that becomes 11 minus y plus y becomes minus y, x plus y is equal to 11, x is equal to plus y becomes minus y, 11 minus y. You have to substitute this value of x in the second equation. What is the second equation here? X minus y is equal to 3, in which in the place of x, you have to write this one, 11 minus y. 11 minus y, already here minus y is equal to 3. 11 minus y is minus 2y is equal to 3. Bring this minus 2y to RHS and 3 to LHS. Then 11 minus 3 is equal to how much? 2y. Minus 2y becomes plus 2y, plus 3 becomes minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8 is equal to 2y. 2 4 times. Then y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Then substitute this value of y in this equation. X is equal to 11 minus y. X is equal to 11 minus y is 4. Then x is equal to 7. You are getting the same answers, whatever be the procedure. One is elimination method previous, and this one is a substitution method. You can solve these equations by using graph. Matrices chapter, like that. In different chapters, use these two equations, solve in different ways. I will explain you later these graph method and matrices and all. For now, the elimination method and substitution method are very important in pair of linear equations for 10th class. If you like it, subscribe. Thank you. Previous problem is very easy. This is one step ahead. Padma went to a shop and purchased 5 pens and 3 pencils. She has given some information. I have purchased 5 pens and 3 pencils. Praneeth went to shop and purchased 3 pens and 2 pencils. Cost of pen is 5 rupees and cost of pencil is 2 rupees. Keeping this as secret, they have not revealed the secret of cost of pen and cost of pencil. She told simply, I purchased 5 pens. 5 pens and pencils are represented by some variable. If you use P for pen, pencil also P, there will be confusion. Therefore, cost of pen we will take it as X and cost of pencil is Y. These kept secret. They have not revealed the price of each pen or pencil. Simply they say, I purchased 5 pens at a cost of 5 rupees means secret X, and 3 pencils means 3, pencils means Y, is equal to total amount 5x, 5 into 5 25, 3 into 2 6, total 31. This is one equation she has given, and Praneeth has given that I purchased 3 pens and 2 pencils. 3 pencils is X and 2 pencils is Y, is equal to how much? 3 into 5 15, 2 into 2 4, 15 plus 4 19. This is second equation given by Praneeth. You have to find the cost of pen and cost of pencil. They kept secret. You have to find by using these two by elimination method. Elimination method I explained by adding or by subtracting, but here all are positive. Therefore, you can't adding these two, you won't get the answer. There is no minus, therefore only subtracting. Before subtracting, you have to see whether the coefficients of, this is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of x. Coefficients must be equal either for y or x. If you want to equalize these two, multiply this equation, first equation by this quotient, means into 3, and second equation, complete equation, by 5. Then 3 5s 15, 5 3s 15, they will be equal. Then you can subtract and you will get answer. See this one. Here multiplying the first equation by 3, 3 5s 15 x plus 3 3s 9 y, 3 1s 3, 3 3s 9. In the same way 5 3s 15, 5 2s 5 19s. Then both are positive, therefore you have to subtract. What is the subtraction procedure? You have to change the sign of each term in the second equation. Minus, this will be minus. Plus 15x minus 15x get cancelled. 9y minus 10y is minus y is equal to 93 minus 95 is minus 2. Then change the sign on either side, then you will get y is equal to 2. You got the one answer. 2 rupees. 2 rupees. Y means pencil. Y is pencil, 2 rupees. You got it. Then substitute this value either in this equation, this equation, this equation, this equation. Any one of the 4 equations, you will get the same answer. The same answer means you will get 5. Take this one. 5 x plus 3 y. Y means 2. 3 y is equal to 31. 5x is equal to 31 minus 3 to 6 plus 6 becomes minus 6. 5x is equal to 25. Then x will be 25 by 5. 5 times x is equal to 5. That means cost of pen is 5 rupees. X is 5. X is equal to 5. You get both answers, 5 and 2, as cost of pencil and cost of pen, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. It is very easy like this. Try to solve this by substitution method also in the next class. Now the previous problem explained by the method of substitution. You might have remembered the previous problem. Padma purchased 5 pens and 3 pencils. Praneeth purchased 3 pens and 2 pencils. Cost of pen is 5 rupees. cost of pencil is 2 rupees. Cost of these two kept secret, and they have given two equations, 5x plus 3y is equal to 31 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Now take this equation, make x as subject, means 5x is equal to plus 3y becomes minus 3y, 31 minus 3y implies 5x means 5 into x, into 5 becomes divided by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 31 minus 3y by 5. This value of x substitute in the place of x in second equation. This is second equation. Now write 3. What is x? X is this one, 31 minus 3y by 5 plus 2y. This is 2y. 3x 31 minus 3y by 5 and 2y plus 2y is equal to 19. LCM is 5. 5 one time, 1 into 3, 3. 3 31s minus 3 3s 9y plus this is by 1. 1 5 times, 5 into 2 10y is equal to 19. 93 10y minus 9y is plus y is equal to cross multiplication. 5 into 19, 95. Then y will be 95 plus 93 becomes minus 93. 95 minus 93 is 2. We got it. 2. Y is equal to 2. This is y, 2. This is y. This is x. Now substitute this y is equal to 2 in this equation. X is equal to 31 minus 3 into what is y? Y is 2 by 5. 31 minus 3 to 6 by 5. 31 minus 6 is 25 by 5, that is 5. X is equal to 5. We got it. X is equal to 5 rupees. That's all.